was this event at a high school, and these 3 Black teenagers came up to me and they said, well, I've never seen a Black artist before. I've never seen a Black woman artist. And I was their first experience with that. I think for a lot of people, the concept of being an artist being whatever, it's not that they always have examples of what makes sense to them, but when you have a visual example of something, especially something that looks like it relates to you, or it sounds like your circumstances, it just makes it that much easier for possibility to make sense, right? When I was a kid, my mom was really very deliberate about making sure that me and my sister saw examples of Black people doing wonderful things, because she wanted people that looked like us to set the bar for possibility for us.
Oh, here we go.
I think that for me, the best thing that I can do as an artist, as a Black woman, as a Black person, is to provide this example that says it's possible. I didn't know I would be painting murals that were 200 feet long. I didn't know, even if I knew I was going to be an artist, it wasn't like part of my concept that could be a thing. When I get to the point where I'm making these monumental sculptures and I'm trying so hard to make that happen, it wasn't that it was in my concept that I would be that person. It's this from the soul, like knuckles white, like, please understand that it's possible for you too. The best thing I can do is live my life in a way that people can see themselves in me and understand that like their dreams are possible too. And that's what I'm trying to do with that, like that for young girls, because I'm a Black woman, because I'm a woman, because I have dreads, because I've got tattoos, because I wear overalls if I want to, like, you know, because of all these things. And because I paint that in my pictures, I want to make sure that at the end of my career, I've created a possibility for all these other people, so that, you know, when someone grows up and they're an artist and they say, well, I've done this thing, like I was the moment that I needed when I was a kid and I saw Patricia Polacco painting that mural, you know, that I was the person for someone, you know, for me playing on the sculpture at Haynes Point by J. Seward Johnson. I said, I want to make stuff like this. I want to be that for people, because it's so important for people to be able to say, okay, everyone in my world is telling me I can't, but I know that I can because Coulter's doing it, and she did it. That's it.